nga bang mabilis masira ang solar panel tuwing umuulan? To know the answer, we have Engineer Josh of Go Solar Philippines.
Hindi ito totoo. No? Ang solar panels ay waterproof at meron itong durable na outer layers that protects its internal components. Ang totoo niyan, the rain actually helps the solar panel because it acts as a natural cleanser, further increasing the panel's efficiency. Kaya kami dito sa Go Solar Philippines, we only partner with top brands in the industry because meron silang strict na proseso ng pagte-testing na kanilang product bago ito i-release sa market. Some of them even extend their warranties up to 25 years. Imagine that, no? So that's a testament of how confident they are on their product's durability. Kaya payo ko sa mga taong nag-iisip na magpa-solar sa kanilang mga tahanan na pumili tayo ng tamang provider, no? Na mapagkakatiwalaan at nagpa-partner sa mga top brands in the industry.
Huwag ka na mag-overthink ha. Safe naman pala sa ulan ang ating solar panel. O siya, sige. See you sa next episode ng Race vs. Rumors.